Everybody knows about fast fashion. Everybody knows about over-manufacturing. Thread Together is one way to deal with that excess, and that is to get it on the backs of people doing it tough. They won't do it tough forever because need is not forever, but today they're doing it tough, and knowing that we can get in there and help is a big motivator.
The idea to give new clothes to people rather than second-hand, or just to make them feel valued and respected, I think it's a great initiative.
And so my first instance was coming here as a person that needed help and support. But getting clothes that I need, for free really helps me financially, but also helps me with my other mental health issues as well. So for me, there's no judgments whatsoever, there's just love.
Something like Thread Together and the giving of new clothes takes it to the next level, giving that person not only recognition and acknowledgement, but you're giving them some self-respect and a belief in themselves for a more positive and hopeful future.
So it costs $5 for us to provide someone with a full wardrobe, but what we can't put a price on is how it makes someone feel and the dignity it provides them with.
The Iconic is doing everything possible to drive greater sustainability in fashion. Thread Together is a super important part of this journey for us.
By donating the stock to Thread Together, they get a tax deduction, they avoid the costs of disposal, and they can say to their customers that they are part of the highest ethical response to fashion excess.
A third of garments are never sold. So to go straight from factory to landfill, it makes no sense. Every person that we help has a real story, and the clothing means everything to them. Thank you, Sun Super, for getting behind our dream.